Polkadot is a digital currency that is currently worth $5.01. It is in the category of mineable coins and has a market capitalization of $6,186,540,347. Over the past couple of years, cryptographic currencies like Polkadot have gained a lot of traction in the global financial world and are often being traded. The foreign exchange market, commonly referred to as Forex, holds significant importance in the global financial landscape. Several institutional monetary sponsors, when considering crypto, view it as a viable hedging instrument against the rapid growth, disruptions, and overall volatility in the global economy. This position has significant importance, particularly in the retail sector. Monetary patrons and shippers exhibit a significant interest in digital currencies, particularly due to their perceived accessibility and potential for substantial returns within a relatively short timeframe. This market is considered highly lucrative, with assets having the potential to experience significant growth ranging from 100 times to 1,000 times their initial value. However, it is important to note that the actual magnitude of these benefits may not align with initial expectations. Far off of very unique business areas, which generally by and large is the inspiration driving why most kind of moderate monetary benefactors genuinely are warily upgrading their ongoing portfolios with computerized monetary standards like Polkadot, while the weighty one positively commit a tremendous piece of their particularly financing to this rapidly making asset class in a sufficiently truly huge way. In a basically huge way at this unmistakable crossing point, the undertakings of all market individuals conveyed the expense of Polkadot to the level at $5.01 where it as of now sits, or so they kind of thought, as of now referred to spot by and large is a mid-position cryptographic cash since it at this point has the 15th spot in overall advanced cash rankings. The extremely metric that for the most not permanently set up by copying the in each useful sense kind of current expense by the market capitalization of the mechanized asset in a sort of positively immense way, or so they thought. By virtue of Polkadot, the market capitalization really stays at 6.186,540 when 347. The meaning of this limit will genuinely be by and large got a handle on later, which all around that truly matters is exceptionally colossal. The computation of our expense assumption is mostly definitely planned in especially most definitely such a way that it continuously monitors both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource, being specifically sort of to provide our supporters with the most reliable data on the by and large lovely present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently in every practical sense evaluate. You can find key pieces of this verifiable information below so that you can also understand where the Polkadot mark is located. Our calculation also takes into account authentic information, which is generally really is pretty especially crucial for the right assessment of both pretty current and expected market structure and the appraisal of its truly present and future bearing. Recently, on August 9, spot coin was valued at 5.19 at the conclusion of the two trading meetings. Keep in mind that since digital currencies are fundamentally traded every day, each trading session symbolically closes at 12 p.m. Contrary to popular belief, the cost change rate over the same period actually generally amounted to 1.21, which is particularly different from common belief in an especially significant way. 7 days prior, on August 10, Polkadot was traded at 5.24 cents at the end of the trading meeting, which means that the price difference from that buy was 0%. On August 11, which was exactly a month ago, the price was much closer to where it is now in a very big way. The Examiner's Exchange DAB at 5.42 cents is the price level that is about 7.52 cents away from where it is now. The cost of DAB and the readings of Fix Quiet are not the only things we use to figure out how much something will cost, which is clearly a big number. Market capitalization is another important metric that helps traders figure out how popular a cryptocurrency is and what its future prospects are. It is also used to figure out how much of the cryptocurrency market Polkadot holds, or so they thought. The moving stockpile of the money being talked about is increased by its current price, which is really important as of the time of compassing the market capitalization of spot in every practical sense remains at $6,186,540,347, making it the 15th largest coin on the digital currency market. Market kind of really goes against popular thinking recently. On August 9th, the market capitalization of Polkadot stayed at $6,289,137,950 which is a very important number. 7 days earlier, on August 10th, the market capitalization of spot was $6,332,436,920 and a month earlier, on August 11th, the amount of capital flowing into this market was $6.56872 to 710, which is a very important number because that's how much most crypto investors buy and sell. As of right now, there are 253-075 spec coins in circulation, which is pretty much all of them. Surprisingly, the stockpile of the digital currency under review is 1,234,274,218 spot in every way that really counts. This Polkadot cost more than expected. Really be done without a description of the trading amount available question, since this is the metric that almost all digital currencies use. Merchants can check the strength of a pattern and the suitability of a market move in a way that isn't too obvious. For example, if the breakout to a potential gain is happening on the back of very low trading volume, there is a very high chance that this move isn't realistic and would lead to a bullish trap. Bitcoin price prediction as bears pull BTC down to $29,000 level. Where is BTC going next? Recently, Bitcoin has stayed above $29,000, which could be a good sign, but it hasn't hit $30,000 yet. It has been trading between $28,900 and $29,280, which shows how unsure the market is. Notably, people who own a lot of Bitcoin are selling less, which could mean they think its value will go up in the future. The recent rise in Bitcoin's value may be related to PayPal's release of PayPal USD, PYUSD, a new digital currency. This global payment company has joined the world of cryptocurrencies by making PYUSD, which is built on Ethereum technology and made to keep its value stable. This is a big deal because it's the first time that a major bank has made its own stable digital currency. This change could change how people think about cryptocurrencies, which could help Bitcoin's value go up. Changes to Bitcoin ETFs, what they mean for the price of Bitcoin and investor interest. The CEO of ARK Invest, Cathie Wood, thinks that the SEC might take longer than expected to accept their Bitcoin ETF.